The size of a system will depend on many factors, such as the current size of the rooms, the requirement of heat, current insulation, and a complex heat loss calculation, which we will take care of. From these factors, we will work out exactly the size of the system that will be required. For a heat pump to work efficiently, the size of the system has to enable it to run at 100%, unlike a boiler where you usually adopt a bigger the better attitude.
To find out more and see our main video, click the video playing right now and it will take you to our main video. Click there now and we'll see you there in a second.